Exe, ke wishche chicken ya go ntho ya go ibodi. Malome fotirile pompi ka kwa ka baka la khogwe.
Aye, you must be mistaken. Or perhaps go bodile koche jago. This is chicken on flick. We don't sell it out here.
Ska tontwela wena ke ta go better sfa tlogo se ka khogwe.
Oh, you think I'm scared of you? Show you what I'm made of. Wa bolela papa?
Bona mthakola bana. Ga no tso feta ka fase ga square root. Gape you are shorter than DJ Cleo's soccer career. O sa le ngwana ga mpisiene. Telejamo, malome nokwana tšhelete wa kwa. Tsa mo tšhentšha malera go mpiletse manager. Pleke bile thoma go nkga di-pampers.
Yeah, I'm the manager. What's my go feta bona? Ke tene sekolo le malome yago.
Ke romile ke ena mo. Vaganet. Hello, malome.
Hello. Se ka se stupid seo.
Asho yena.
Ya wona soli. Wona o di ba mokamedi wa di stupid.
Ekwa, I don't uskang khafela. You need to watch your words.
Ke fetogile landline ka mo toilet ka baka lago. Ai ke machile loje. Ga no ebe go check castor oil na.
You need to watch your words. Chicken on flick is not a cartoon company.
Go siwa ta bon.
Chicken ya ka ina botata buda. Ta mo siwa.
Wona DJ Cleo ta bantša escalene 10,000. Unjo le se stupid.
Hey, don't uskan toga bona. Uskan toga bona. Emona, umfuna na weka toilet.
Ke busy ke flush the rubbish out of my system.
Hey, what's going on here? Papa, dintshang mo.
Skhothane. Go pabole go ke bo papago. Gape ke dampi ene wena unguti. Dintsha. Lefatshe le a tshosha straight. Ke bo mamlambo le bo mashudu. Ka mo ke Skhothane le bo papage ba tokoloshi.
Bosha. Wena sanetse ba go install toilet mo molobu because go tswa matšhila fela.
Yeah, ke mo tseba so papa. Le second manager resignile because of him.
Hai, wa tseba keng? A ke le enjoy fandiwan. I haven't seen anything this disturbing since Penny's hairstyle. Ere ke tshele one entle.
Ya tsamaya man. O botse malome yago a ke motshabe.
Ya le ena go tshabe.
Hey, shut up! You are not going to turn my courtroom into a jumping castle. If you want a jumping castle, try the parliament. I must recognize you first. And none of you looks familiar right now.
Hey, bona Rix. Don't step on yourself.
Yeah, Your Honor, with all due respect, let's get to papel.
Wa bona Your Honor. Batho ba felela ka mothogo.
Yelen, le nyaka go topa sepo go te.
Your Honor, Noko Mashaba is guilty.
Chaban.
No man. How do you know he's guilty?
I can feel it in my stomach. Wano soreketala man.
Your Honor, go to the table mountain jela. Wa bona go kampa 1 minute le sa gata marogo se.
A ke re wa go Your Honor. Rap ya fela ka kwa gae ka rena re phela re betho.
Hey, why do they beat you?
Because I have style.
Motogolo, I ceased to be the one to tell you this, but due to an unfortunate and an entirely unforeseeable sequence of circumstantial events that fortunately have nothing whatsoever to do with me, Maole Papa Obadile is stupid.
What?
Yo.
You guys just want to be us, vele.
We would rather spend the night in Oscar Pistorius' bathroom than be you, my man.
Objection! Overrule terms and conditions on the box.
Terms and conditions? Yakina na kwa bala the terms and conditions kana kwa uja.
You see, Ojelwe, this box clearly states, eat at your own risk. Chicken on flick, PTY Ltd will not be liable for any intestinal damages.
Yeah, Wareresh. It's right here. Baba Mashaba banena kwa gate.
Lena, kabotse o mang wena?
He's our lawyer.
Hey, ke eng ntwe bana? Where's the chicken?
My man, I make the things that it cannot make the chicken to be done.
Who the hell are you?
He's our lawyer.